How to fix DoorDash food grocery more app not working in Android and iPhone. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about fixing the DoorDash app problems on Android or iPhone. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, and you can also switch between them. Now you can go ahead and restart your device. A quick restart often fixes app glitches and other problems. Now try updating the DoorDash application. If you're using Android, you can go ahead and open your Play Store, and if you're using Apple, you can go ahead and open the App Store. Now in the search bar, simply type in DoorDash application. Once you find it, tap on it, and if you see an update button, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. You can also try uploading the application and or uninstalling it completely from your device and reinstall it. For that, tap and hold on to this application and then tap on uninstall, tap on OK to confirm, and it will be uninstalled from your device. And now you can go to Play Store or App Store, search for DoorDash again, and then tap on install in your device. And after you install it, make sure that the DoorDash has the permission that it needs. And you can also visit the down detector to see if the DoorDash is having widespread problems. And if nothing works, you can get help from the DoorDash support in the app at help.doordash.com. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.